12 June. Yeah, that's my birthday. So now you know when to wish me. Yep. Like many other people out there, I celebrated my birthday at home. My parents wanted to give me something on my birthday, and I have been looking at some great smartwatches. And you know, parents are only who can understand you better. And yes, they surprised me with a Realme smartwatch. So today was the day and the package arrived at the doorstep, and here it was, my Realme smartwatch. I must say the colors used for packaging by Realme are so vibrant. Here's the watch with a square dial shape. The box comes with a wireless charger but does not include an adapter, so you will have to use your own adapter. The magnet of the charge is fine. I cannot say that it's that strong, but does the job fine. I feel the strap of the watch could have been a bit long, or they should have provided an option to select the strap size. A lean wrist like mine would fit in this one, but I think it would be a problem for a muscular guy. The setup process is simple. In order to connect and sync the watch with your phone so that you can start receiving smart notifications like call and messages. As the day passed, I just tried exploring the watch. One thing to note is, when I walked from my bedroom to my living room while my phone was in the bedroom, the watch got disconnected. Anyway, if you talk about the watch look and feel, then yes, it is light in weight, weighing just 33 grams. It is comfortable in hand, wearing all day long. Talking about the interface, it's pretty simple and looks cool. Downward swipe shows you your notifications. Left or the right swipe shows you your activity records. The upward swipe helps you to access all the features or options and also the settings part. Long press on the screen helps you to change the watch face. Talking about the screen, I think the bezels seem to occupy some space on the watch, but that Realme could actually improve on this part if they are planning to launch smartwatches in future. I thought of wearing and sleeping at night, but found it a bit awkward as I'm not used to wearing a watch while sleeping. A new day to begin with. I was a little inconsistent with my workout, but as the watch calculates steps and also calories, a new motivation aroused, and today was yet another workout day. I can track all my activities with the intelligent activity tracker, which comprises 14 sports mode. That's it for the workout today. The entire day it worked as expected. I was able to see all the notifications on my watch and also could see the call notifications. If you are thinking that you can answer your phone calls using this watch, then you got it wrong. You can just decline or mute the call, but cannot answer the call. This was something disappointing to me, as a call answer would have been a better option. Starting with my cardio, but how about some strength training as well? Today I selected outdoor running and strength training to record my calories and timings. Done with my morning workout. Today was a hell of a hectic day with lot of tasks to work upon. Now I think I'm getting used to this watch and it's being a part of my life. But this connectivity issue is very annoying. Sometimes I need to restart the watch so that it links up with the phone and starts showing me messages and call notifications. I think Realme needs to improve on this part. Maybe the future updates could fix this. Guess what? It's day 3 and I have started using this watch while sleeping as well. Just wait for the next day and I'll show you how it tracks my sleep record. Another day in this pandemic, but wait, let me show you how this captures the sleep activity. I'm not sure about my deep and light sleep, but yes, this graph is very artistic. This graph can be viewed on the watch as well as the Realme Link app. That's the benefit of the app. Your everyday health, fitness, sleep record gets synced in the app so that you can see the progress of your activities. Now it's time for workout. You guys can actually track other workout activities, games as well, like football, basketball, cricket and much more. But I don't find some of the sport modes that useful, as most of us hardly find time to play such activities. Not sure if one would track basketball or cricket unless you are a sports person. Let me know in the comments if you are one. I think I'm getting used to this watch and it does pretty good stuff with calculating my daily activities, step count, calories burnt and also notifications. Done with workout and all the morning stuff. Let's explore some more stuff in this watch. You can measure real-time heart rate using the real-time heart rate monitor. Also, you can set an alarm, manage music like play or pause, change songs, control volume while workout is a pretty handy feature. Finding my device is a rad feature that I like about the watch. This watch has some cool watch faces to try, but kinda I like the default watch face. You can at a time store 6 watch faces. The watch faces according to me are less as of now, but Realme claims to be adding more watch faces in near future. Don't forget, you can actually change the watch faces from the app itself. This watch now has somewhat become my partner, where I rely on it for my workout, notifications and much more. My experience of using this watch is great. Disappointed by the connectivity issues. Rest works as it should be. If bezels would have occupied less space, then it would have been like a cherry on the top. I still need to check out more workout modes and will surely do. Also, Realme claims that the watch is IP68 water resistant. I have not checked it though. It's light and comfy. This watch cost 3,999 rupees. Last but not the least, I'm using this watch for 7 days straight and I haven't charged the watch yet since the first charge. The battery life seems to be great on this watch. If you can't afford Apple Watch, then this is your go-to watch, I can say.